In this video I'm unboxing and setting up the Apple Watch Series 8. First of all, we have here a midnight aluminum case, 45mm Apple Watch Series 8, GPS and cellular. Let's start with the unbox. You just go from the back here. Alright, just like that. We broke the box a bit, but not a problem. That's where the watch is, and that's where the bracelet is. Nice, let's start with the watch. And we have this easy to take off. There's one, there's two, and the Apple Watch. I like that it comes with some kind of cover on top, like a paper cover. And here we have some info. Yeah, right, just some info about the watch, how to set it up, nice and easy. Then we have the magnetic charger, the cable and everything. All right, and so you just push it out. Right, that's the watch. It feels weird like without the bracelet. It's just a small piece of tech. Now let's go to the bracelet. Full packaging. So it looks like we have a longer for one side and a shorter one, more longer and shorter hands. And you take it out like this. Easy. I think I'll take the longer one. Okay. Alright, so it's really easy to attach it because it doesn't go the other way around. Alright, so as you can see, I try to put it the other way around. It slides, but it doesn't sit there. Just like that. And it sits there. Now let's turn it on. Continue, and your phone will start connecting with the watch. So as you can see, it goes straight into the setup. Setup for myself. You pair them, and then you set up the Apple Watch. Left, connecting. 45mm aluminum case. This takes a while. And here we are. I agree. Sign you into your account. Really easy to set this up. Okay, now we can create a passcode. Alright. Continue, continue. Continue, not now. Okay, so we have this until everything is done on the watch, because the watch is syncing. Let's finish syncing. Right, of course you get the passcode if you want to use it, because it's locked. So back to the phone. That's everything we have on the watch. So it actually checks what apps are available on your phone and can send to your watch. It already like installs all the apps that you have on your phone. Pretty neat. You don't really have to do too much. Here are some settings, notifications,